Okay, so say this is our highest point. I am going to pick just above, making sure that the stitch doesn't go through to reach the swedge line. Are we together? And then I also do the other side. And I make my first knot. Assuming that my first knot is tight enough. So again, I am going to just pick, just because our aim is to bring the mucosa opposite, not to tighten it to what? So make sure you don't go through, and on this side you also don't go. When you pull this stitch, there is a way it will invert your mucosa to be like this, and no stitch will appear in the lumen of the